How to fix login failed error on Roblox. Let's get started. First up, check your credentials. Double check your username and the password to ensure they are correct. Launch your Roblox app, click on Login. Roblox usernames are case sensitive, so make sure you are typing them exactly as they are. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Username or the password, then go through the password reset process. Verify Roblox server status. For that, close this and launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website down detector and then search for the app Roblox. Sometimes the Roblox servers may be down, preventing users from logging in. Check if there are any server outages. If there are any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, it may interfere with Roblox login processes. So close this, launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, click on the option of VPN and device management. If you are connected to any VPN, disconnect to it. Ensure your Roblox app is up to date. An outdated version can cause login errors. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Roblox. After app appears, you'll see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Some browser extensions may interfere with Roblox login functionality. Try disabling extensions, particularly those related to security or ad blocking, and then attempt to log in again. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is contact Roblox support. For that, launch your preferred browser, head towards the website of Roblox support team, type in help.roblox.com, you will be directed to this page. Now you can contact Roblox customer support team for further account recovery or login troubleshooting. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the login failed error and access your Roblox account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.